everyone, I am Mohammad Wakar and I am providing you a demo for Spectrum Learning Management System and Spectrum Connect for Virtual Classroom. Before going into details, I would like to tell you that we will be shared with some credentials, so you just have to click on the link which is provided to you and put the username and password in such fields and click on Login button. Once you click on Login button, you will be entered in Teacher Dashboard. So here you can see that on the left side of the screen there are some options for configuration, and in the center of screen you can see some statistics related to that teacher. For example, the recently accessed courses by the teacher and the list of the courses which is assigned to that course, that particular teacher. If you want to view the details of some particular subject, you just have to click on that subject. By clicking on Introduction to Computer Subjects, you can see that we are entered in that particular course, and the course content is divided in different weeks, 4 weeks. A teacher can also divide the course content in topic wise as well. To view the content of some specific week or some specific topic, you just have to click on that week or topic. By clicking on week 1, you can see that we just entered in week 1 content. So here you can see that the syllabus for a particular week, and there is some different format documents like PDF, and we can see also you can also see the video presentation as well. If you want to view the presentation, you just have to click on that presentation. For example, here is the presentation. So teacher can also play the presentation directly from the dashboard. So here on the top of the screen, you can also see that the track bar. If you want to go back in previous step, you just have to click on that activity. So now we are in again week 1. Here you can see that the PDF presentation as well. You can see different assignment. In week 1, teacher can also upload assignments for the students, and here you can also see the quiz in such week. So teacher can upload different type of documents for students, and if you want to go back, so he can simply by clicking previous activity. So similar format is followed for different weeks as well. So you can see that it is very simple and user friendly dashboard. You can just click and view the content of that course or particular week. Here you can also see that the option for Spectrum Virtual Classroom. If teacher want to conduct some virtual classroom, he just have to click on this option. By clicking that option, you can see that the dashboard like this. Here we have an option of virtual classroom. So teacher can enter in such virtual classroom by just one click. He just need to click on such option. So here you can see that the option which is like join session. If he click on that join session, so he'll be entered in Spectrum Virtual Classroom. If he record such sessions, so that recordings will display in this area. Currently there is no recording, so that's why that area is empty. If that session is recorded, then he will also do such recording in such area. So now we are going to enter in some such session. So we just have to click on join session. So here you can see that the virtual classroom, and Teacher just need to join this session by proving that if he want to use microphone, so he just have to click on this.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Now teacher is entered in virtual classroom. So you can see that it is very simple. The dashboard is very simple. Here teacher can see the different users, like different students who are enrolled in such course. Here teacher can see that how many students are online, and teacher can also manage students activity from manage user option. Like teacher can mute all the users, teacher can mute some users. So teacher can perform different activities from here. Here you can see that there is public chat option as well. If teacher click on that option, so he'll be able to view such chatting here. If student want to ask some question, he just write here his question in this chat room. So teacher and other students will be able to view that question, or if they want to do some valuable debate, so they can also do that debate in that chat room. And if you want to hide this chat room, so he can simply click on this button. Here you can see that there is also start recording option. If teacher want to record that section, so he can also record just by clicking on this option. And then on the left side, on the right side of the screen, you can see there is different option. If teacher want to add some text, he just have to click on that palm, and then he click on text, so that he will select some area for text, and he will be able to write some text. For example, so teacher can write anything on this whiteboard. Teacher can draw different lines as well, and teacher can draw a circle and triangle, and he can also highlight some different text like this. So you can see that teacher can do different actions from this option. He can also write something by selecting the pen. So here are the different options which teacher can use, and then teacher can undo his action. You can see that lines, random lines which I draw in that whiteboard is eliminated. Teacher can also clear. Teacher can also clear all annotations, and if teacher want to allow students to write on whiteboard, so he can just click on multi-user whiteboard on. If he allow different, if he click on that option, so different students will be able to write their own whiteboard as well. Here you can see that there is another option where teacher can upload a presentation, teacher can share a YouTube link, and teacher can start a poll as well. So here is very simple, you can see that very simple interface for virtual classroom, where teacher can conduct different, teacher can conduct online virtual classroom. So if teacher want to log out from this classroom, he just click on that option and then click on login, logout option. Now you can see that we have a Spectrum virtual classroom option. So if a teacher want to mark attendance of different students, so he just have to click on this attendance and survey option. After clicking on that option, he will see the dashboard. So here you can see that the attendance option as well. He just have to click on attendance option. Now there is a session in which students were enrolled. By clicking that session, teacher can view the different students who were enrolled in that session. So here teacher can mark attendance of different students. If we mark all present, if we select all option from there and click on present, then you can see that all students are present. So if such students is absent, teacher can easily mark absent from there, and he can also add remarks in remarks field, and then he just have to click on save attendance button. Then the attendance will be saved. So now again you can see that on the top of the screen there is a drag bar. If he want to go back to dashboard, so he just need to click on that dashboard, and then if he want to go back into particular course, he just need to click on that course name. Teacher can also view grade of different students by clicking on grade option on the left side of the screen. He just need to click on that option. For example, by clicking on grade option, you can see that here is the list of different students and their grades. By scrolling that page from left to right, you can see that the different grades, you can see different grades. By moving that page, you can see that the list of the student is constant, right? That is not moving. So you can easily identify that which grades are associated to which student. You don't need to scroll left to view the student name. So it is very easy and very friendly system to view the grades as well. So now by clicking dashboard button, you will be entered in main dashboard. So that was the brief overview of Teach LMS learning management system, teacher portal. Thank you so much for watching.